All right, it's February 16th, 2024. This is your Rogue Trader Zigdao Bitcoin Fund summary. Yeah, need more coffee. So we had a long session today for our members. It was probably getting close to an hour long. There was a lot to do in the book. As we can see, the price is kind of holding here around 52,000 US. Options have expired. So we don't really expect the price to move too much right now, but anything can happen, of course. Who knows? We need as a news piece to come out and it can move around. So we really spent the day kind of managing Vega. Vega is our biggest problem. So we reduced that. We helped that out. We bought some long dated stuff, some March, 100K and 30 something K calls and puts in order to reduce that to help the margin, right? It's all about helping the margin because if anything crazy happens, we want to have available margin to be able to shuffle things around. So for us, I mean, we don't have a lot. There's too many trades to even possibly go over. We don't have a lot expiring. We don't have anything expiring until Friday, the 23rd. We shuffled some things around. Right now, we've got a nice space. Of course, that can change. So we're pretty happy. We do want to bring some risk forward, but with a small account, it can be a little bit tough. Bring risk forward with the minimum margin. So we're going to wait for better opportunities. We did make a few little adjustments. We moved some stuff that's 54,000 to 56. It might have actually been this March 1st. Looking pretty good most places. March 24th, it's a little bit of a mess. We know the price isn't going to be right here March 24th. We're reasonably sure. So we know we're going to have to manage something on the call side or the put side. But we decided to wait on that to see what happens with the market. Other than that, I think it's going good. We've got an absolute ton of intrinsic value we're going to try and realize. So if the market's fairly, quote unquote, tame for the next month or so, that'll be easy to do. As long as we don't get a big 12, 15% move in 1 or 2 days, we should be okay. And if we do, we're going to have to make some adjustments, kick the can down the road. But on the other side, let's just say the move is up, a huge move, and all of a sudden we're at 62,000 or something. That would be a massive, massive move. We've got a lot of value in puts that we'll be able to pull off, pull in that intrinsic. It will just manage the calls, strangle them out, whatever we're going to have to do. So I think we're pretty happy. So again, if you want to get all the details, please subscribe to the Patreon channel. And it's good trading, interesting trading. I'll just take a quick look at the vol index. Yeah, I mean, this is the daily. Let's just take a look at the hourly. Hey, it's been pretty flat today. 54 or so right now, off from our highs of 57 yesterday. So, we'll see what happens. I do kind of expect vol to steadily increase. Probably have some dips and then an increase along with the price. But we'll just see what happens. I think steady as she goes, and it's been some very interesting trading. So let's just do our best to realize all that intrinsic value we've got out there. And before you know it, it'll be happy days and account at new highs again.
Hey, and thanks for watching our daily summary video. For those of you who want to learn more, I would invite you to come and watch the full videos. These full videos are where Richard and I sit down every day, sometimes multiple times per day. We discuss the market, the metrics, our account, everything you can possibly imagine, and we execute the trades in real time. You get to see it all. Where else could you see professional fund traders do this in an account specifically set up for you, the viewer, to learn all the tips and tactics we've learned over the last 50 years combined? Now, this is for silver members and above. If you go to roguetrader.academy, silver members and above get access to this live stream every day, as well as the recordings. On top of that, there's a weekly Ask Me Anything call. And as the name implies, you can ask us anything. Plus, you get access to all of our courses. We put out a new course every 3 or 4 months approximately. Plus, you get access to our interactive live alerts Telegram channel. And this is a Telegram channel where we're putting our trades in real time as we make them, but it's interactive. That's what makes it different. So you can ask us questions. We will chat back and forth during the day with all of our members. It's super, super incredible value. So do yourself a favor, head over to roguetrader.academy, join up, and we'll see you soon.